Welcome dear friends. In this video, we're going to fix Bootrec Fixboot, access denied error. Most probably you are trying to fix your Windows boot issues, and as part of it when you try to execute Bootrec Fixboot you get this error. In this video we are going to fix this. Not just that, we'll also show you how to completely get your Windows back. Solution 1. Using Bootrec command. Execute this Bootrec command that you see on my screen. All these commands are also available at the end of video description. Let's execute the Fixboot command that was giving error before. Wow! I no longer get access denied. Now, to get your Windows up and running, please execute rebuild BCD command. Please key in A or Y in this add installation prompt. Please go ahead and reboot your PC to see if your boot issue has been fixed. You may need to change your boot order to start from your regular hard disk. If access denied is not fixed, or if you are not able to fix your boot issue, then please continue. Solution 2. Using BCD Boot Command. Go to command prompt, type disk part and hit enter. Execute list disk. Please run select disk 0. Over here, 0 is my disk number where Windows is installed. Please feel free to change if it differs for your case. Run list volume. Please run select volume, followed by the volume number corresponding to your system partition. System partition can be identified by FAT32 and approximately 100 megabyte size. Please be extra careful on choosing this volume number right. Now we are going to assign a drive letter for this system partition. Choose any letter that was not used so far and also do not use X. So I'm going to assign Z. Let's go ahead and exit disk part. Now please execute this BCD boot command. Over here, C is my Windows partition, where my Windows and program files are stored. And what I provide after /S is my system partition for which we have recently assigned a new drive letter. Execute this Bootrec command that you see on my screen. Let's execute the Fixboot command that was giving error before. It's successful for me. Let's go ahead and reboot the PC. Sometimes you may land in this error after all these steps, but don't worry about it, you just need to hit enter, as mentioned over here. I'm finally into my Windows. I hope it worked for you as well. If you have any questions, please add your comments below. I'll respond to you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you so much for watching.